A large number of farmers from 22 BCs under Umpinagar block have gathered today here in the Paddy Procurement Center with their paddy sacks. The concerned environmental officials have collected large quantity of paddy through their technical inspections and quality justification. As per the report, per kg paddy cost is 23 rupees and per mon 920 rupees. To have like this favorable paddy price, local farmers were found glad. Sources said the government has taken this generous initiative to provide benefit to local paddy producers and to sustain motivation amidst farmers.
আমরা এইদিকে বন্যা হয়েছে না, গোলা নামছে
না এখন তো ডান বাইরে খালি লাগাইছে যে অনেকে মনে করেন জলটা মারি দাও তাড়াতাড়ি জলটা দাও নাকি নালে তো ডান আইলো না মারো